All right, so today we're looking at a new light. Now, this is a light from Honeywell. It's their Honeywell Gooseneck Floor Lamp. And first thing that I wanted to kind of show you was the box that it comes in right here. So this is the box. Thank you guys should be able to see it right there. Honeywell Gooseneck Floor Lamp. Gooseneck hose design for adjustable angles, providing a soft lighting effect. That's nice. Has your CRI is greater than 97. It has an RGO, blue light hazard. So I guess that's, I'm not sure what that actually means, but if you guys know, leave it in the comments so you can inform me because I don't know. And 0% strobe hazard, which is cool. Well, this is the black version of it. This is the box. And when I got it, I was like, it's got some weight to it, but seems like I was like, maybe it's not a floor lamp. Maybe it's a desk lamp. But as you can see, I got this cool little lighting effect right there. That's it. You can see it. This is how big like it's big. It's like I can't remember what they said. It's like 77 inches tall, something like that. So it's got a good height to it. It comes all kind of, you just gotta screw all the pieces in there, but it's got a really nice heavy base to it. I just wanted, this is gonna be a short video because it's a light, right? But here's what's cool. For one, this is tall enough with the angle that you can kind of get some of these, you can position it. I just turned it off. You can kind of get it so that, you get that little kind of thing if you want on your, to kind of separate you from your background for lighting. It does come in, it has a warm temperature, a cool temperature, different like power levels, and of course on and off. Two buttons at the top, nice and simple. But what's also nice is, and I'll just bring up, let's say something here. Here's a knife, right? A lot of times I get all these kind of shadows in here. So my thought was I may actually use this as just an extra light that I can put over here, because then I can kind of get it down into this area, just off to the side. You can bend it, right? Because it's got that gooseneck to kind of make sure you fill in shadows, so that now I got a pretty heavy shadow coming this way. So I may be like, that's too much light. Let's just kind of tone that down a little bit just to kind of get it where I want, working away in here. This lights up really nice. That's kind of cool. So anyways, just so you guys can see, I'll bring the top down here, right there. There's the top, as you can see. Just two little buttons on there, right? A power button and a light button. And simply, you may be able to see this. I'll just turn that. You can tap these to kind of go through the different tones in there and the different brightnesses. It's just a simple tap from white to blues to warmer colors, right? And I don't know if you hold it, if it does anything. Yeah, it allows you to kind of go through and find that like different brightness, right? Just kind of hold it as it'll brighten back up, let it go where you want it. Brighten it up a bit more, dim it down. So it's kind of cool. And then of course it has an off button. But I love, because you can angle this. All right, I can angle it however I want with that gooseneck. I can tip it down, I can tip it up. It's not, it's right in my face. It's not that it's not heavy, because the base is heavy, which means, even if I tip it, it just kind of goes right back where it was. It's got a really good base on it for that. I can stick this up here. I can make sure that this arm was out of the shot a little bit. Just get that up top, so it's wherever I need, crop myself, just right there. Yeah, short video, but they make a whole bunch of cool little lights, Honeywell. And I think because studio lights, well, you like my big one over here, expensive. That useful. Plus, if you don't even want to use it as a studio light, you're someone at home, you just need to do some reading, you put this by the bed, right? Just kind of bring that down when you want to use it, boom, got your book out, doing some reading, wherever you need it. Just kind of angle it how you want. Do some reading in the bed, by the nightstand, whatever. Yeah, I think that's a lovely little, and it's cosmetically quite attractive, and you can get it in both black and white. So I think it comes in $85, something like that, US. But that's a little bit of all right. Yeah. Anyways, I'll put links down below where you guys can pick one of these up if you're interested. And that's it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, hit that little notification bell, and I will see you lovely folks next video. Later.